to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review about Bella Vita Organics Papi Blim Face Gel Cream. So this is the 85 grams package of the product. It costs around 325 rupees. I bought it on Amazon on certain discount. Okay, don't remember that. Anyways, I'll give the product link in the description so that you can purchase it. So let's get into the video. And yeah, the main ingredient here is papaya. So you can see the image of it. You know, the packaging is really good. We all know that all Bella Vita organic products are natural, and they have given what is in. They are ISO certified and GMP certified company. They are non-toxic, and they have certified Ayurveda certificate, and you know, it does not contain any parabens and no harsh chemicals or sulfates in this. It is fully pure. And on the other side of the carton, they have given the ingredients and the directions to use. The ingredients here are aqua, papaya extract, saffron extract, turmeric, aloe vera leaf, glycerin, vitamin E, herbal extract, sandalwood oil, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate. So these are the only ingredients added in this face cream. Let's see what's inside this cute packaging. So this is the 85 grams of Bella Vita Papi Blim face gel cream. It is quite nice. It has got a good jar or a tub packaging. It has a screw open lid, and it has got a separator, as you can see in the corners. I just removed it because I found it difficult to use it that way. And this is the product. The main thing is you can use it with your hands, but do not, you know, use it with wet hands, because that may cause the product to spoil easily. So this is gel or a cream. This is in the format of a gel more than a cream. So it is in light yellowish shade. It is in pale yellow shade, and the consistency is, like, as you can see, it is in the form of a gel, and when applied onto your skin, it is more transparent. Okay, it gives a cooling effect on your skin as soon as you apply it. So it has got saffron fragrance. Okay, that is quite mild and you know, very pleasant. It has got a very pleasant smell, which I like the most. So where you can use it, so why, for what you can use this cream. This cream, you know, it highly helps in controlling pigmentation. It depigments your skin, and it leaves your skin, it provides your skin an even tone, and it also cures any blemishes or dark spots on your skin, and leaving your skin spotless. This product, you know, it gives a glowing effect. It gives a good glow to your skin on using this. You can use the product only onto the parts where you have the dark spots or blemishes, or you can use it entirely. I love using the product entirely on my skin because the product evens out my skin tone. Saffron and turmeric are highly helpful in brightening your skin, whereas this aloe vera and papaya, they maintain your skin and prevents any acne breakouts. So I love this product very much, and I have given the video of Lotus Professional Phyto RX. So like, you can like compare the product, but that is quite costlier than this. It does the same job as that as the Lotus Professional do, and that is more than a cream, and this is just a gel. You can simply wash your face and apply it directly on your skin, and you can finish off your you know, acne time routine. I use this only when I have the acne, or else I don't use this. I just wash my face, I do the toning part, I apply this and leave it for about half an hour, and then apply any moisturizer, because mostly I don't need moisturizer, because it itself moisturizes my skin to the great extent. So I will not need moisturizer. So if in case there are some climates, you know, due to the climatic changes, if I need a moisturizer, I apply it only on, you know, when the product dries out completely. Only after I apply any moisturizer or anything, whatever I want. So this greatly helps in reducing your acne. So while comparing that with the Lotus Professional's Phyto RX cream, that it helps in reducing even the minute zits on your skin, as well as the huge acne within 24 hours or within 12 hours. But this product, it takes time, since it contains natural ingredients. Of course, natural ingredients, they do not give you any side effect, but it helps you achieve your target, which is removing your acne without leaving any dark spots. It helps, it at least takes around 72 hours or 3 days for complete recovery. If you have the tiny zits, you can find the difference within 12 hours, that is within a night you can find the difference. But if you have hormonal acne, or the acne which caused due to pollution and things, it takes at least 3 days at a stretch to complete it. But of course, you can trust me that this product helps, it gives a great cure in reducing your acne, and I would guarantee that. Bella Vita Organic is one of my new collections in my skincare routine. I have tried most of their products, and not most of their, few of their products. Okay, I've tried them and all have resulted in a very good way. So I'm just loving this product and expecting a lot more from this. Yeah, I think I have shared with you whatever I know about this. I'm finishing my video with this. So we'll all meet in the next video, and until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.